Because enough of you now listen no song, you know. Anytime when you see something drop, you just try to get one line out there, search out. Yeah. Search out the song them. For search for a one line, for say, well, that one line, yeah, head to the man there, head to the man there.
Somebody come and look at this.
Vibes Cartel now listen to no other artist song away for Alkaline. And him take him one line them. Yeah. And him build him song round them. Listen to Cartel song them. And listen them for no years so the man listen to Alkaline song them. And
let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them.
Man, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You know I think set. So people, you don't know, you know, new rules. You don't know Bark is sent to March 21st, you see me? Yeah, man, but you don't know. A data fan for out and I make them know what is it. So here we go on.
Osh. Let me tell you something now. You see, relevancy is when time, push up in everybody thing. Relevancy is when everybody now have access to you. That is what Alkaline stand for. That is what the Vendetta Camp stand for. That is what me stand for. Yes, right. So, the Plaza Gaza spread camp, we can't make a bag of nice. Nobody knows soon. On the substance run out. At data time now. You see me? See, data gang sell out show. The same show on the boss, then the day we boss call sell out back that, you know. You see me call sell out that and show and say, yo, all when the dog now put on a tune. Still relevant, because you know say data gang is always relevant. Osh! What the fuck do you go sit on one side, man? March, wait, look out.
Yeah, man. Make sure someone go get in the tickets, people. You see me? Yeah, man, get in the thing. But you don't know. The Gaza fans, them always be Gaza fans, you see me? Yeah, them always be Gaza fans. Make a bag of nice and all of them look a thing. I just feed them thing, that, you see me? Yeah, them do it over the years now, you see me? But we not to watch them like that, because we know them stay already. You see me? But we see a brother forward out and I do a thing, the people. You see me? I have to make you not hear me, you see it?
Gaza thing again.
So I must say a bag of thing, people, but I want to know hear what I must say.
But if you take back the Gully and Gaza thing again, that I got to get rid of the rest of the artists, them shadow them out of the business. You understand? So if you stop from boots up the part of the dancehall thing, they stop from boots up on top of the two-man for war. You understand? We want to tell them, so boy, the two of them can do some bombs right now and do a collab.
I know what the brother you mean by shadow of the artist, brother. I don't know, brother. The man them a fall from the same camp. The man them a do them thing on a show. Friendly clash. You understand? Yeah, them a sing but the song them with them sing with each other. With them sing for each other, you see me? So now have nothing to do with what the artist them a do, brother. You see me? At the end of the day, them a go up on a show way over Europe. I do them thing. You see me? Yeah, and nothing with no violence like how back then. You see me? And the government have to call them up and say, yo, we need to squash this and all of them little thing. You see me? The artists them a go do them things same way, the music and every little thing. You see me? That is just a show where Cartel a keep. You see it? You don't have nothing to do with the artist them, but no overshadow and all of them little thing there. You see me? Yeah.
Jump a song out the road. And make you can have it for jump up too. Because enough of you now listen no song, you know. Anytime you see something drop, you just try to get one line out there, search out. Yeah. Search out the song them, for search for a one line, for say, well, that one line, yeah, head to the man there, head to the man there. Yeah? And that you search right now.
People, remember what him say no. Remember him say, people are searching one line for that man there and for that man there. Remember what him say.
Because we just have boots, have boots that. A boots war, just boots war, and boots war. And you can't even be a good ref. You can't judge nothing neither, you can't ref, you can't judge. Yeah. You have to just sit by. What me say you have to do? Just sit by and watch what go on, yo. Because what I do, it's not necessary none at all. If you can't tell them about it, if you come back a war now, that not going to look good. And we know the caliber of the two artists. I know what them can do. And the damage what go on to the rest of young artists.
But brother, no one go on, brother, at the end of the day. Because remember, the Cartel say, yo, him nah do no song. Him nah do no gun song and them look at thing there, brother. So no one nah go on, brother. That pass and gone long time, brother. Man, him nah go back down the party, bro. What you see right now is just a controversy thing, and you know the artists them now come out and say none. You see me, man, him just make the people run with it. You see, so no war, none of that now. Cartel say him done with gangster song and them look at thing. You see me done with gun song and them war thing and yeah. Cause you don't know. That's why I'm in the US, you know. I must just make a sacrifice same way. You see it.
Then we are trying to call our name right now. So when if you stop them things, they stop from boots up. So we don't want the two of them to clash. And stop from top or say Mavado or Chua with that cartel. You understand the man doing? We can't Alkaline is Vibes Cartel, #1 artist. Me not ask that. Vibes Cartel no listen to no other artist song away from Alkaline. And him take him one line them. Yeah. And him build him song around them. Listen to Cartel song them. And listen them for no years so the man listen to Alkaline song them. And uno alone what you going like have some big shit in a plate, you know. Because Vibes Cartel rate the artist, you know.
But people not him forward out a while ago and say yo, people are trying to find line in a song and them Sunday. Now him a come do the same thing now. It look like him not understand what him a do. You understand? But I don't know about the rating thing. You see me? I don't know about the rating thing with that. You see, two artists, them are great artists, them a do them thing. You see me? Yeah, them a do them thing.
I say Vibes Cartel rate no more artists in a dancehall, but Alkaline. Alkaline a theme artist where him listen to all of the man song them and watch the man how the man program and rate the man. Me not ask that, me know say Vibes Cartel rate Alkaline to ever move. But you see, uno the little blood time must still happy as them out here. Uno come out and chat a body and rubbish and chat some whole heap of shit and make it look like say, oh, Cartel do not rate the man. Because uno a look something from the side. You understand? Cartel rate Alkaline to the bone. Just listen how the man take lines from the man, song them and make some song and put out and you know things to chat about because the man knows how to love chat. So he make certain saying you know some things to come chat about. You understand? Cartel rate Alkaline to the bone. I mean if you ask that guy, he never rate Alkaline. Him only listen to Alkaline song them. Him know Alkaline song them from front straight round. And I ask that. So all who come talk about Ray and Tay, you don't go sit on one side because you don't understand what I want. And not for one was on our Gaza fans and I look some follow up off a cartel and I look to get some views and all them something. They're not real Gaza fans. Right now.
Boy, man, I tell you people, rough, but I tell you. But I don't know what it means still about the room. I'm not sure about the ratings thing there. No. You see me? I'm not sure about the ratings thing there. You see me? Whatever cartel I'm over that do, yeah, it look good for the culture, you see me? Yeah, they might do them thing. But whatever them do it over there, so them do them thing. You see me? Nah, nothing to do with the artist them, because at the end of the day, that's something what them do already. You see me? So artists them still put out their music, the artists them still get them thing. You see me? And a number of war song and all of them look at thing there. The artists them just want to give the fans and a show where, a lot of people in experience. I remember, and not everybody did go sting. You see me? And some people might watch it after and say, yo, them wish them the day or so. Yeah, I might just give back them a look a revision and seem like when Bounty and Beanie did do the verses on our Instagram live or something like so. That the man them did do. So and kind of fresh up back whatever the situation, the modern days. You see it, but the artists them do them thing, brother. You see me? Yeah, man. And this are the thing people mean a rate. Seeing? It's like when the artists them do things, them always I try compare with what Cartel I do, brother. You understand? Cartel, I get him time for do what I do now. Seeing whatever artist them I do, make them do them thing. You see it? Always I try compare what Cartel I do with the artist them. You see me? Seem like what I brother your father and I say, yo, don't want to see but now clash and this and that and but I just controversy. People are suggesting this man I get this and all of them. No mean say the man never go war. You see me? At the end of the day, man never go do show. No war thing now. Them thing they done now. Think them past them look at thing they already. You see it? But whatever the young youths them do, the young youths are do it for feed them generation. You see me? It not have nothing to do with what Cartel I do. You see it? It would be like man them compare where the Gully and Gaza thing to Alkaline New Rules in a Barclays Center. I say, bro, I'm mad man in a youth. I'm telling you, that's like our 4-day event, I guess. Now compare 4 years, I say, yo, we'll go this soul out and Alkaline show and all them little thing. They went Cartel show last year in a Barclays, the third show after him do the back to back. It never sell out until the day and the show. You understand? But you never know these things because you now look what Cartel I do. You see me? You now see what him a do. Or whatever situation happen around him. You see it. But through all of the eyes there on Alkaline now, you see me, you go find some way to say a bag of thing. Man, I say, yo, this should have sell out already and rate. No, for Cartel show them never sell out till the day. You see me? Yeah. The back-to-back Barclays when him just afford the USA. That did sold out. You see me? That did sold out. Because them just a see him. But the third one now, the ticket them even dropped from $1,000 to $230. You see me? But you don't know. Them now go highlight these things because of Cartel. You see me? You don't know the industry. Kind of, you know, endorse Cartel. So certain things, enough people now gonna know what go on. You see me? But with Alkaline now, yeah, everybody are watch and see where I go on. You see me? I remember man them feel like say a Cartel won Barclays, you know. Like say it wasn't a venue, like say show was never a keeping night before Cartel forward out. You see me? At the end of the day, are two great artists them. You see me? Alkaline are doing Barclays. You see me? Cartel are doing show over there, so. At the end of the day, the two of them are represent dancehall. So I don't know why you use our next man show. Because at the end of the day, bro, the Cartel show over there, so seeing and I like say it have a capacity of people. Them just put out some ticket and the amount where them maybe print or did or have that just finish. But them go forward back with more. You understand? It's not like Barclays now have a capacity. So once all of the seat them sell out, it just sell out, it just sold out right there, so nobody else can hold. You see me? So if you look on Cartel show them, I think them say you sign up on the waiting list for more ticket go forward. You see me? More ticket go forward. Cause you can't know whatever the capacity of Barclays have. If a 19,000 or 20,000 or 15,000, you know, say alright, once a that are the capacity are so once that done and that sell it just done there. So Cartel show now it not a capacity. So if them sell out 8,000 ticket, you see me? Them have more I go forward. You see me? No mean say the venue where them I use. Cause I think the last year venue, I know nothing indoor and nothing outdoor thing. You understand? I mean know them bad off certain section cause it's a big open land. You see me? But I guess them have them amount of ticket, but through the show put out and them say sold out and all of them little thing there. You see me? Them feel like say, yo, ticket sell off fast, but there's more ticket to forward. You see me? More ticket I got there. But maybe like down near to the show, them I go put out some more. You see me? Yeah. Cause I think under the list them say, yo, some waiting thing. But the two artists them are go great. Cartel's ticket sell out, it just sell out. You see me? You know, have nothing to do with Alkaline show. Or do with no other body show. You see me? But you don't know the hype around Cartel thing. You know them are gonna do it. I think I don't have shows too. You see me? But you don't know through the hype not their own I don't thing. You know them not gonna really mess it. But every artist I do them thing, every artist. Enough artists I do touring right now. Enough artists. Dexter I do tour. Cranium I do tour. All of them look a thing. Everybody I do with them have to do, brother. It's just that them man they not in the hype thing, like for them, whatever, you know, not in the hype thing. So a lot of people wouldn't know what I go on. But there's a lot of artists that do them look a tour thing, them look a shows them and all of them look a thing. They see it. So but you don't know Cartel and Massacre and you know the Vado thing and Alkaline. You know them are got in a top tier artists you got, you know, always a call or who I watch who and all of them little thing there, you see me? Yeah, I just saw the thing set people. But at the end of the day, everybody I do what them can do for contribute to dancehall. But I don't know, some of the man them is like look like a one person them want for those shows or sell off shows and all of them little thing there, you see me? Yeah, them some of the time some of them not really care about the culture like that. You see it, they not really care about the culture. You see me? Yeah, that's one man. I guess them want one person represent dancehall, but them don't even know the brother. And that's how it work, bro. You see me? One man can't carry a whole genre, cause look here now. He may be a performer Europe. Seeing? Who are go there over Africa represent dancehall? Who are go there Canada? Who are go there in the US? Who are go there other places to represent dancehall? You see me? So you need a lot of artists to represent dancehall, to move the genre. You see me? Yeah, cause people listen to other music, different music. That's how I think it. But at the end of the day, everybody I do what they can do to represent the culture. You see me? So if a man thinks sold out over there, so it's sold out. A man I do good. You understand? If a man over here, so I do the same thing, yeah, it I do good. Still I represent dancehall on a big scale. You see me? Especially with a young youth, Alkaline. You see me? 13 years in a game. And if you see the youth I do this, it's a good look. You see me? I draw this a capacity and know say, yo, him a do it. Dancehall. You see me? Yeah, it's a good look same way. Them over than cartel thing, yeah, them a do them thing over there, so. You see it? Whatever, them a carry back where they back in the days where, them want to do it in a more modern way, a friendly way. You see me? Yeah. Them a do what them have to do. At the end of the day, them go through what them for go through, them a forward from the same camp, them have the same father, you see me? Them a brother, you see me? So, them a do them thing over there, so. Alkaline a do him thing over there, so. I don't a do him thing over there, so. Everybody I represent dancehall and I contribute. You understand? To make the culture grow. You see it? So no matter what anybody want to say, I still big representation, same way. You see me? I saw it thing said. Everybody have to put in them little contribution. See, like how you go to church and you put in your offering, everybody who all of them are do their little tour in a some little place. I still dancehall people have hard to come see them. Them still I represent same way. You see me? Yeah. But people who don't know what things said. You don't know one media facts. Big up on yourself, You don't know what things said. Respect for the support, you see me? Yeah man. You know what things said. That is it.